Hey, today I'll show you how to create automations in Monday.com to automate your work. Let's start with the basics. When you click Automate on any board, you'll enter the Automation Center, a hub full of pre-built automations and integrations. We're only focusing on automations in this video, but be sure to check out our tutorial on integrations to get the full picture. There are two types of automations: custom automations and pre-built templates. Custom automations let you build your own automation flow using three simple elements. You have a trigger. This determines when the automation should run. A condition. This helps narrow down the scope. And an action. This defines what the automation will do. For example, when a date arrives, Monday.com will automatically notify the team member assigned in the People column. Pretty simple, right? Just like that, you've created a basic automation that will run on your board whenever it's triggered. Adding conditions and actions. The best part about custom automations? You're not limited to a single trigger and one action. Let's take it up a notch. By adding a condition, you can require that not only does the date need to pass, but the status column must also contain a specific label. This way, you won't notify teammates about tasks that are already complete. But wait, there's more. You can also add additional actions. For example, once the team member is notified, the automation can automatically create an update on the item, letting everyone subscribed know this task won't fall through the cracks. You can even add multiple conditions and several actions, allowing you to build powerful automations that do almost anything your heart desires. Pre-built templates. Pretty cool, right? If you love the idea of automations but aren't sure where to start, don't worry, we've got your back. The Automation Center includes many incredible templates designed to bring your automation ideas to life. Let's explore a more complex automation that you can only find as a template. This one is a doozy, but imagine how amazing it would be not to manually update multiple boards that track the same information every time something changes. This pre-built template makes it easy. Just fill in the required information, hit play, and our powerful automation will handle the rest. Now the only question left is, what will you do with all your new free time? Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.